Hi guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday today and I took the last couple of days to not do anything. I was very lazy and I didn't vlog at all and I didn't do much except lay on the couch. I did sign up with a personal trainer. I'm gonna go once a week and just do these workout groups. It was kind of pricey, but I feel like I need to get motivation to do something. So I'm gonna be doing that on Tuesdays, so I feel good about that. I've just been eating so bad lately and like pizza and ice cream is a weekly thing. So I'm currently just gonna do my skincare. I'm gonna use the Fresh Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. And my dad's getting his eye surgery today on his other eye, so I'm gonna bring him there. And then I'm getting my hair done because clearly you can see that my hair is super dark on top. I haven't gotten my hair done since before we went on vacation. So like 3 months. So I'm really excited to brighten things up a bit. Also this weekend, Scott and I are doing a Target challenge. So we're gonna go into Target with a budget of $50 each. And we're both gonna be vlogging separately. And we're gonna see who gets better items for the value of $50. Like who can get better things, you know? So I thought that would be fun. I'm gonna take the Dr. Roebuck's Perky Collagen Boosting Serum and use this guy. I don't know if you're supposed to use this just at night, but I'm gonna use it during the day. I feel like my skin's not been the best lately. My chest and my back have been really bad and I have no idea why. I don't know if it's like stress or the move. I'm really not stressed, honestly, right now. Like, I feel like I'm in a good place. And that doesn't usually happen. Okay, so I use that. And then I'm gonna use this LMS Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. I love this stuff. I'm almost out of it. Use this. Oh, I got a really cute package from The Balm too, so I wanna show you guys that. I'm just gonna put my moisturizer on and then I'll show you that because I got that in the mail yesterday. I'm gonna use the Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. I don't really know if I like this moisturizer. I don't really know what it does. I feel like it's not special, you know? I like moisturizers that have a lot of benefits in it, and I feel like this one doesn't really have benefits. All right, I'm gonna let this all sit into my face before I do my makeup. But let me show you the package that I got from The Balm because it's so cool. So, it's a little lunch box. How freaking cute is this? It's like an old-fashioned lunchbox. So adorable. And it says The Balm Fire, so they're new Highlighting Shadow Blush Duos. So they always send me doubles, which is so sweet. So the packaging of this one looks like that. And I showed this on my Instagram stories, but this one is in the shade Dusk. So it's like a peachy, sparkly color. And then the other one, so it's a duo, looks like that, which is more of a bronzy shade. Don't mind my nails, I still need to get them done. This one, what is this in? This is a different one in Beach Goer. This one's brighter. This one's more pink. And then more like purpley pink. So pretty. They also sent me another one, and then they sent me Mad Lash Black Mascara and their Schwing Black Liquid Liner. So thank you to The Balm for sending that over to me. Their packaging is always really, really adorable. And I love how they send me doubles of everything. So thank you to them. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then bring my dad to the eye doctor. So I will take you guys with me today. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'll go to Target, maybe I'll go to Sephora. I have no idea, but I'll take you guys with me. So I just did my makeup and I am using one of the new Balm Highlighter Shimmer Blushes. So I'm using the shade Dusk, which is a really pretty like peachy golden. So that's what's on my cheeks right now. I do really like it. And then I'm also wearing a new outfit from Fabletics. So this is the outfit. It is all white. I do have a link for Fabletics and you can get 2 pairs of leggings for only $24 if you sign up for VIP. I've said this before, but they're the most comfortable leggings I've ever worn. And they're so cute. I love the style on the back. And then the back of the sports bra is really cute too. But I think I'm gonna wear this today, although I picked up my pants and I got makeup on it. So that's the only downside with wearing all white, but it is super cute and it makes me look really tan. So I might wear this, I might change. I just don't wanna get like really dirty today, but it's a really cute outfit. Okay, so I'm currently in my dad's truck. I just brought him to the eye doctor's and it's gonna be like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go into Tjmaxx and do like a little shop with me in there. I don't know if I'm actually gonna buy anything, but they do have really cute things right now because I went the other day with Michaela and I saw so many things that I loved. So I'm going to bring you guys in there with me. Hopefully there's not an overwhelming amount of people because I don't like vlogging in front of people. I don't know why. I'm just like, I don't know. I have no idea. I just get nervous. So we're gonna go into Tjmaxx. I might visit Michaela at work, depending on the time frame. And yeah, let's go in. This would be so cute for the 4th of July to put a bunch of drinks in there. Love that. Okay, they have all of this for the 4th of July. They have these really cute Ray Dunn cups that say Happy 4th. And they have the napkins too. I have to get so many things for the 4th. Oh, and they have the plates over here. So they have like a matching set. That's cute. And then they have these. A ton of napkins. And these silicone cups. I think that's kind of weird. Okay, I'm not even getting married, but I think this is the cutest section ever. Look at these cookies. I really want to get them just because they're so cute. But I won't. And also these cards. They're so cute. We've got ring balloons. I just want to like throw a wedding. This is cute. And then these little glasses for like photo booths are so adorable. How cute is this? It is unicorn birthday cake cotton candy. Pink, white, and purple. So cute. I kind of want to throw a unicorn party. I think that would be adorable. Look at these. These are for cupcakes, but there's also a huge unicorn balloon. Speaking of unicorns, they have this How to Be a Unicorn. It's like a big box, but it looks like a book. Adorable. And they have this really pretty Kate Spade box. It's a nesting box, but it's so colorful and pretty. So I made it to Target because I really want to make something today. So I'm thinking either cupcakes or a cake. I kind of want to do funfetti because I haven't had that in such a long time, but I also really like just regular yellow cake. And then I want to make them pretty, but I feel like there's another section with different sprinkles because this is like all the basic ones. And then I'll have to get some frosting. Maybe this. Or this because it already comes in a bag. Strawberry. I don't know. I don't know what I should do, but I'm in the mood to make something. Or should I do cookies? No, I kind of want to do cupcakes. Ooh, super moist party rainbow chip. That seems good. They have all these really cute cups at Target on clearance. So they have this set right here. Comes with 2 for $4.98. It says I'm so fancy. They have this one with cactuses. And then it says it's spiked. I think that one's really cute. And then these might be bubbly. Sip Sip Hooray. Wife of the party. So cute. And they also have this, which I really like this color, for $17.48. It's a little bit more money, but it's by the brand Sip by Swell. I feel like this whole vlog is unicorn themed, but look at how cute this is. Like a little mini unicorn for $4. And then these little bags. I should definitely throw a unicorn party at the barn. And these straws. And look at the plates. I definitely want to do that. I'm over the llamas, but the unicorns are cute. This is just adorable. I might get these for the cupcakes just because I wanted something cute to put on top. So I might get these. I'm going to look around to see if there's anything else. Oh my god, look at these. Too adorable. Okay, so I just went to Target and Starbucks and I picked up this pink cake pop. I'm really hungry right now, so I figured just a little snack. My dad's still not done with his eye surgery and I have a hair appointment in 1 hour, so I don't know if I'm going to make it. Hopefully I do. I also got a bunch of stuff to make cupcakes, so I'll show you guys that when I get home later. Also, I like that Tjmaxx switched to the brown paper bags instead of the plastic ones. I think every place needs to start doing that, especially Target, so I like that they did that. But I'm going to eat this and hopefully pick up my dad soon. Okay, I am back home from getting my hair done and I wanted to show you what I picked up at Target and Tjmaxx. So I got this muffin pan or cupcake pan from Target. It was only $2.50. And then I got this ball thing. It was on clearance for $1.98 from the brand Screws. But look at how cool this is. I thought it was a stress ball, but I really actually don't know what it is. It's just a fun, squeezy, squishy ball. And it's hot pink. You love this, babe?
Yeah.
Me too. And then I've got these little papers for the tins. I got hot pink funfetti frosting with sprinkles, although I do have sprinkles in the cabinet from cookie dough from Michaela. Then I have the funfetti cake mix. And then I got these to put in it. I don't know why I'm being extra with the cupcakes. And then from Tjmaxx, I got this lemon apron. I thought that was so cute. And I think it was only $6 or $7, so I got that. And then I got these coconut patties because these are really good. Oh my god, it's rich dark chocolate. Why do I like this even though it's dark chocolate? Okay, I had one of these the other day and I really liked it. I wonder if they make milk chocolate too. If that's the case, then I might not like these, but I'm gonna try it because I'm pretty sure I do like these. So I got these for $3.49. And that's what I got. Scott's cooking dinner. What are you making, sweets?
Turkey.
Turkey and broccoli. We have that almost every night because we're healthy, you know? For the most part, we're healthy. Right, Puff? Right. Making the cupcakes. I'm really bad at cracking eggs. No, babe!
Well, what do you want me to do with it?
The trash, behind you, behind you. I'm really bad at cracking eggs, so I'm having Scott do this part to make it easier on me. And then we just need water and oil. Babe, are you kidding?
I tried to do it one-handed.
Don't try and be cool.
Might be a little shell in there.
Yikes, a little crunch.
Also missing half the white.
That's all right. Oh no, it's seeping into the crack. That's what she said. All right, so it's much later now, and this is the process. I'm starting to make cupcakes right here. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like in the morning because I feel like it's very dark right now, but I'm putting some sprinkles, some plain, and then some of these sprinkles, which are from cookie dough. So those are really pretty. And then I'm putting these little cake topper things that I got from Target today. So I'm just gonna wait for these to cool, and then I'm going to show you guys tomorrow morning, but I have to go to sleep because I have a really long day tomorrow. I'm working at the spa all day. These little shorts are from Victoria's Secret. I'm obsessed with these. So cute. And then I'm just wearing a sports bra. But I did get my hair done. Again, you can't really tell. I'll show you guys in the morning once it's later. Good morning, it's Thursday morning, and I just wanted to show you guys the cupcakes that I made last night in daylight. I think they came out so cute. These sprinkles in the front are the ones from New York from cookie dough, and then the others, some are plain and some have the sprinkles that it just came with, but I think they're really adorable. So I made those last night. I ate 2. I might bring some to the girls, but it's pretty rainy out today, so I don't know if I want to risk it today. I might just bring it tomorrow. Also, let me show you my... Oh, I got my hair done yesterday as well. I love it. It's very bright now, and before it was just like so dark up top. It's still dark, but now it has like more definition. I also got a haircut, so I feel a lot better. But I'm going to work today. It's my long day, so I'm working 11 hours. So I'll talk to you guys either tomorrow or Saturday. Hi guys, today is Sunday, and this morning I did a bridal shower. I did 4 or 5 girls. I forgot my camera at home though, so I couldn't vlog and I couldn't take pictures. I probably could have on my phone, but I just didn't. So that's kind of sad, but they're gonna send me pictures later on. So if I do have any, I'll insert them in here. But it's Sunday, and Scott and I are gonna go to Target and do a Target challenge. So we're gonna film that today, and then also he's gonna take a photo of me in this new dress because I just got this in the mail. I'll link the company down below, but you guys will see that shortly. And I also got a package from Sugar Bear Hair. I like won a challenge on their Instagram, so let me show you what they just came out with. All right, so here we have some new Sugar Bear sleep vitamins. These are new, and I got a 3-month supply, so I'm really excited to try these. They're vegan, and I think they have melatonin. Yeah, melatonin, magnesium, L-theanine, vitamin B6, and the Rest Well blend. So I'm gonna try these out. I don't have a problem falling asleep at night, but sometimes I just have like such a staggered sleep. Like I just keep waking up in the middle of the night. So I'm gonna give these a try. I really like the hair vitamins, so I'm sure these will work really well. So I got a 3-month supply of that. And yeah, I have to get my nails done so badly. I'm going, I think, either tomorrow or the next day. They're really, really bad and overgrown, so don't mind those. But we're gonna go take a photo. Let me show you my outfit in this mirror so you can see it a little better. Also, you see those spots on my mirror? Let me know what your best recommendation for like a spotty mirror is, because we have this glass cleaner, but I feel like these spots just are out of nowhere. I don't know what it is. Anyways, so this is the dress. It's a little bit big up top, like the straps are very big, but it's a really cute dress. I think it's adorable. This is from a company called Sugar Lips. So super cute. And then I just put my extensions in. Ooh, this mirror is driving me nuts. Okay, I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Are you being such a good boy? Yeah. We got Teddy the Seresto collar because a lot of you recommended it on my Instagram stories. I just feel like he had a tick on him like 3 days after it was on. So I'm hoping that it actually works. I don't know how long it takes for it to like kick in, but I feel like it should already kick in, and there was a tick biting him. So I don't know. We'll see. It was very expensive. Oh my God, he's falling asleep. Oh, did you almost fall asleep? Yeah, you're sleepy. All right, go to sleep. But he really likes it here, and he's always so sleepy now. I'm also hoping that this isn't like affecting him, because I feel like he's been acting a little bit different. Like at night, it's hard for him to fall asleep. Like he just keeps on tossing and turning, just like Mummy, right? It's wild. So hopefully, I have to keep on checking his neck and make sure there's not like a reaction. Are you sleepy a lot? Yeah. It's because you go for long W-A-L-K. Teddy knows how to spell, so I have to be careful. Okay, we'll talk to you guys in a little. Just got back from Target. You guys will see all of this in my Target video that will go up. Oh my God. That will go up in a couple of days. What's up? You're so loud. All right, I'm gonna end this vlog now though as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I have to clean everything in here, and we will see you next week.